My friend, can you wash plate very well?
She what?
You crazy?
Oh my God.
My friend, good morning.
Why speak like this?
Beautiful woman with
You-
good plate.
You mental?
Sweet plate, my friend. Who is there?
Mental admin.
Yeah, you crazy.
How are you, good?
Come. I have job for you. You're free?
Yeah.
Yeah, my friend.
You malum me job need.
You need job?
Yeah, me
My
need.
friend need somebody to help him wash plates. To work in the house.
Okay.
Can you wash plates?
Too much.
Are you
washing.
sure?
Too much washing me.
What?
Anyway.
I hope you will not disappoint.
La. Me need job. Me money. You malum me family salary no need.
You don't disappoint me.
La. No need.
Okay, come with you.
Okay.
Mama.
Oh, Galazi, how are you?
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the young man I told you about the job.
Wow.
Salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam, my friend. How are you?
You joking?
Missy.
Yeah, sit. Oh, you can sit, darling.
This is my friend I told you about. I need somebody that will work for her. Okay? So, madam.
Yeah.
Danjuma.
Okay. My friend, can you wash plate very well?
She what? Can you wash plates?
Yeah, malum.
can wash
Washing. Yes, malum.
Wow.
Can wash?
You be mumu.
Kitchen where?
You think
No,
say they wise?
kitchen. Galazi, didn't you explain to me?
No, I didn't want to tell him so that you'll be the one to explain to him.
No, but you should have at least given him a hint of what I need.
Tell him that you need someone that will help you wash plates and pots.
I need someone that will wash my plate and pot. You should understand. Plate and
Yes.
pot.
Me malum plate. Yeah, malum.
Like this?
Malum. Safai. Kuru malum.
Oh my God, this guy, you can wash very well.
Yeah. Ana malum. Safai. Plate safai kare,
Plate. My friend, not that plate, not kitchen plate.
Sure.
The one you used to eat, not that one. This one, sweet plate.
Danjuma.
She
Yeah, that's what I want. I need someone that is good at it.
Sure. What?
Oh my God.
Pot, plate.
You don't know this one good. You understand? This, you're going to be washing it. And I'm going to be paying you good money. You will love it. Yes.
My friend, plate here.
You speak me something like that?
Yes. Now
You-
you coming, my darling.
You
Yeah.
crazy?
How? What happened?
You crazy?
Oh my God.
My friend, good morning.
Why speak like this?
Beautiful woman with
You-
good plate.
You mental?
Sweet plate, my friend. Wash plate. Take money.
Sure. You some donkey?
You need money, right?
You know wash plate?
I
You
will give
some
you
donkey?
good money.
Call you what money?
Oh my God.
Hey, no touch, class.
Galazi,
Class, no
why
need.
did you bring such a person
No
with me?
need, class.
Oh my, I told you.
Why speak like this? La, this one not good.
Wash plate.
Oh my
Call
God.
you what wash plate.
Galazi,
You
please
speak-
take him off. I don't need it.
You
I don't need
speak
it. Galazi, take
plate
him off.
safai. Other kitchen, other same kitchen?
See beautiful plate.
Call you
My
wale
friend,
beautiful plate.
I'm gonna pay you good money.
Lawa,
Good
call you
money,
wale.
good money.
My friend,
Hey, no touch.
my
money.
friend, wash plate.
No touch,
Wash
no
plate
touch.
and wash
Hey,
money.
no touch. Call you
Look
wale.
at you. You don't need money?
Catch around money, call you wale.
Cultural money?
Yes, man.
God have mercy upon us.